Welcome to Happy Fasting Fun. Today we're diving into a topic that perfectly complements your fasting routine. Fasting and healthy snack alternatives, nourishing choices for your fasting journey. While fasting involves periods of abstaining from food, there are times when you might need a snack that aligns with your fasting goals and promotes well-being. Balancing fasting with healthy snacks. Fasting doesn't mean deprivation. It means being mindful of what you consume even during non-fasting hours. Choosing nourishing snacks that provide sustenance without breaking your fast is a smart approach to maintain your energy levels and stay on track. Benefits of healthy snack alternatives. During fasting, sustained energy, nourishing snacks can provide a steady release of energy, supporting you through your fasting periods. Metabolic support. Certain snacks can boost your metabolism, helping you make the most of your fasting regimen. Mindful consumption. Opting for healthy snacks encourages mindful eating, promoting a balanced relationship with food. Blood sugar regulation. Choosing snacks with a balanced combination of nutrients can help regulate blood sugar levels, aligning with fasting goals. Healthy snack. Alternatives for fasting: nut butter and apple slices. A tablespoon of almond or peanut butter paired with apple slices provides a satisfying blend of healthy fats, fiber, and natural sweetness. Greek yogurt with berries. A bowl of Greek yogurt topped with berries is rich in protein, probiotics, and antioxidants. Trail mix. Create your own trail mix with nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and a touch of dark chocolate for a balanced and energy-boosting snack. Hummus and veggies. Enjoy a serving of hummus with carrot, cucumber, or bell pepper sticks for a satisfying combination of protein and fiber. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a portable protein source that keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Chia pudding. Chia seeds soaked in almond milk or yogurt create a delicious and nutrient-dense snack loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporating healthy snacks with intermittent fasting. Healthy snacks can complement your intermittent fasting routine when timed strategically. Consider incorporating them during your eating window or as a pre-fasting meal to provide sustained energy during fasting hours. The key is to choose snacks that align with your fasting goals and keep you feeling nourished. In conclusion, intermittent fasting and healthy snack alternatives can coexist harmoniously, enhancing your fasting journey with energy, mindfulness, and satisfaction. By making thoughtful snack choices, you're nurturing your body's needs and promoting a holistic approach to well-being. Thank you for joining us on this nourishing episode of Happy Fasting Fun. As you explore the world of healthy snacks within your fasting routine, remember that these choices contribute to your overall health and vitality. Let's continue to discover the delicious ways in which fasting and mindful eating intertwine to create a more vibrant and balanced life.